for it. Guy, today I am going to show you how can we create AI free long or short videos.
Area. Okay, and he is angry and pointing his finger somewhere. Now I will just wait for to create the images. Okay, sometime it asks you the age, which age you want. Okay, suppose I say 2000. Okay, now see, this was the image and I change this image. Now it's the same image. I say make him happy. You can do these things on ChatGPT also, but just I am showing you how you will do. This is I am telling you about the chat. Okay, now you can see this is about the chat. This is you use usually. Okay, the most important thing is Imagen. You will go to Imagen. Okay, you will find some templates here. You can use these templates, and you can take the idea how you will write the prompt, because you know the in AI the prompt is the most important thing. So suppose I click on it, so I can see what is the prompt for this guy. Suppose, see, this is the prompt. So you can take the idea which type of prompt I have to write if I want to make this square goes down to the right and off jump as the camera follows drone style, maintaining the ball right. Okay, so you can do it this one, but I will show you some images what is yours. Okay, so suppose you come on Imagen. Now click on Imagen and you write here any of the prompt. You can use ChatGPT. So for example, I come here, you can take help from the ChatGPT. I come here and okay, this is our Grok and there is ChatGPT. So you can write any story you want. Suppose I write create a small story about a little boy who study in the school. Now the ChatGPT will start work and then it's giving me the story. It's a small story. You can write the long story or whatever you want. But ChatGPT still we need it. Now this is the story. Now we are saying convert this story into the scene. Now ChatGPT will convert this story in the scene and now we have these scenes. Okay, leave it here. Now we come in our Grok. Okay, now the first thing what you have to do, see, I was working on it. Okay, khalas. So there are two things. You can direct write the story what you need it. You create this. Suppose you write this and it will show you different videos, yani how you want to start. There are different stories, different pictures. Okay, you can take any of it and suppose the first one I take and I click on it. So once I click on it, it will start to loading. Now once it's finished loading, you will click on it and you can see the story first clip. Okay, now this is ready. So what you have to do, you will download this. Okay, now you have the first clip. If you want to work or edit, yani on the same time, once you download, you open your account, what you want to, where you want to work, and put it here also. This was the first clip. Okay, now again I come in the second scene, but before the second scene there is the most important thing, how we can make the consistent character. So for this you have to come in the last frame of your first clip. Okay, this is the first clip and I will come in the end. Okay, and I will right click on it, copy video frame, copy video frame. Again I am saying copy video frame. You click on it, then you will come into imagine again and here you will paste this last frame. So why I did this, when I copy the last frame and I paste here, so the last frame will be the first frame in Grok, yani from where my story, my clip end, on the same place the new clip will start. So I paste it. Now once you paste, again this screen will come and here you can put your scene 2. So I put my scene 2 and again it will start to make the second clip of your story. Okay, so the second clip is ready and now see still he's working and it's connecting from the first scene. So I will download this. Now I have two scenes. So again I will repeat the same method. I will come on the end. of the first frame, right click, copy video frame. I will come to Imagine, I will paste here, and once I paste, again it will come here, and I will go to ChatGPT. I will take my scene 3. I will paste it here, and again I will do it. So now here it generates 2 scenes after this. This scene I want to use it, or this scene I want to use it. I can choose, suppose, this one. Okay. I will download this scene, and again I will do the same step. I will come on the end, I will copy the frame, and again I will paste it here in Imagine. Okay. So like this you can download different types of clips and you can create your story. Here I will come and I will take my another scene. If you see your face has been different, so do it again, the same method, because maybe you did not copy frame correctly. Okay. Now this scene, once you finish it, then I will not do the whole story, it will take too much time. So now what will I do? I will just copy this frame and then we will start editing. Okay, this scene is ready again, and I will download it. Okay, now I will come in my editing software, whatever, CapCut or Filmora or whatever. I usually use Filmora. So I will take my scenes, this turn, this one. Okay, so one by one I will copy. I will take this scene, I will take this scene. Okay, now 2 scenes you can see down here. It depends which type of size you are making, landscape or portrait. I did portrait before, I do it landscape. Okay, so now you can see the scene is connecting, yani it's not showing you you cut the scene or you are your scene. This is another scene and this is the first scene. Okay, so now like this you can edit if you want to make the size the equal, yani this scene and this scene. So I show you in the biggest screen. You can see. So like this you can create the story on Grok. I will show you more things on Grok, how you can create more attractive stories, or how can you make your stories more attractive for the clients, for the viewers. But this video I finish till here. In the next video I will show you some other things, interesting things about Grok. So guys, till the next video, take care, bye.